what is JUICE? The Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, or JUICE, is a European Space Agency (ESA) mission to explore Jupiter and 3 of its icy moons, Europa, Callisto, and Ganymede. A single orbital spacecraft with no lander, JUICE will orbit Ganymede, the Solar System's largest moon, becoming the first probe to orbit a planetary moon other than Earth's. JUICE will be the first mission to orbit a moon other than Earth's. When will JUICE launch? JUICE is set to launch on April 13, 2023, from Europe's spaceport in Kourou, French Guiana, and will take nearly 8 years to reach the largest planet in the Solar System. The spacecraft will orbit the gas giant at the same time as NASA's Europa Clipper mission, which will examine the habitability of another Jupiter moon, Europa. Europa Clipper mission is planned in October 2024. Why do we need JUICE? Only 2 spacecraft have orbited Jupiter, the Galileo probe, which studied the gas giant between 1995 and 2003, and Juno, which has been circling the planet since 2016. The Galileo mission found evidence that oceans of liquid water might exist underneath the ice crust of 3 of the 4 main Jovian moons, Europa, Ganymede, and possibly Callisto. Juno, now in the extended part of its mission, revealed many more details about these storms and found that the planet's atmospheric weather layer extends beyond its visible clouds. The mission also discovered that a core of dilute heavy metals might hide within the mostly gaseous Jupiter. Still, many questions about Jupiter and its moons remain unanswered, especially those regarding the potential of some of those bodies to host life. Together, JUICE and Europa Clipper are set to deepen our understanding of the Jupiter system and perhaps pave the way for a future mission to land on Europa. What work will JUICE perform? JUICE will perform 21 flybys of the most distant of the 4 main moons, Callisto, getting as close as 120 miles, 200 kilometers, from its surface. Orbiting nearly 1.2 million miles, 1.9 million kilometers, from Jupiter, Callisto is a very different world than the lively Europa, which is believed to have water plumes squirting through its ice crust. At about the size of Mercury, Callisto is the second largest of Jupiter's moons, and has a crater-riddled surface that scientists think is the oldest in the Solar System. Scientists are unsure whether Callisto has a subsurface ocean like those of Europa and Ganymede, and JUICE is very likely to answer this question.